Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about data, constant, variable, attributes and frequency distribution. So, first is the data. Data is collection of all elements. There are two types of data. First one is the constant and second one is the variable. So, definition of constants. The characteristic which does not change its value is considered as constant. And second is the variable. The characteristic which change its value is considered as variable. Here variable are also divided into two types. First is the attributes and second is the quantitative variable. The first is the attributes. A qualitative characteristic like thinking, drinking, grade in examination, blood group, beauty, defectiveness of an article produced by a machine is called as attribute. Second is the quantitative variable. A quantitative characteristic, the weight of person, examination, marks, population of a counting profit of a salesman is called as a quantitative variable. Also, quantitative variable are divided into two types, discrete variable and continuous variable. The first one is the discrete variable. A variable taking only particular or isolated values is called a discrete variable. Next one is the continuous variable. So definition of continuous variable is the quantities which can take any numerical value within a given range are called continuous variables. Next is the classification. In classification, raw data. Definition of raw data. The unprocessed data in terms of individual observation are called as raw data. Then proper definition of classification. The entire process of making homogeneous and non-overlapping groups of observation according to similarities is called as a classification. Then next is the frequency distribution. Here the types of frequency distribution. First is the discrete frequency distribution. Then definition of discrete frequency distribution is a table containing values of the variable along with their frequencies is called as discrete frequency distribution. Here to solve the discrete frequency distribution problem, we have some procedure. The procedure in which step first, find the smallest and largest observation. Step second, write the values of variable under consideration from lowest to highest in the first column. Third is the classify the observations one by one and put a tally mark in second column against the value it relates. This is the called as tally mark. Fourth step is count the tally marks and place the number in third column